case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1955 Supreme Court case, Corn Products Refining Company v. Commissioner, the central issue was whether the company's corn futures transactions could be treated as capital gains if they did not qualify as true hedging transactions under the law. Corn Products Refining Company, a prominent manufacturer of grain corn products, had purchased corn futures in 1940 and 1942 to secure a cheaper supply and to protect against increases in the raw corn market. The company argued that its futures trading was separate from its manufacturing operations and should be considered capital asset transactions. However, the tax court and the Court of Appeals disagreed, finding that the futures activity was closely connected to the manufacturing operation and did not qualify as true hedging. The Supreme Court upheld the lower court's decision, concluding that corn products did not qualify as a legitimate capitalist, and therefore could not classify its gains and losses from hedging transactions as capital gains. The court determined that Corn Products Refining Co.'s transactions were not true hedging and were therefore not entitled to capital asset treatment under Section 117, emphasizing that the definition of a capital asset must be narrowly applied and exclusions interpreted broadly. The court concluded that corn products hedging transactions resulted in ordinary business gains and losses.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsc.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.